surgery, either small or big, will be associated with some kind of side effects, and a complicated surgery like CRS and HIPEC is bound to have some side effects. The good thing is, by the measures that we take in the pre-operative period, during surgery and after surgery, we can minimize or prevent a large proportion of these side effects. Some of the side effects that we are concerned with that occur when the patient is in the hospital are the risk of getting some kind of infection that requires treatment with antibiotics. Many a times we need to resect the intestines or the bowel and the ends are rejoined. There is a possibility of leakage from these joints in the intestine, which is called anastomotic leakage. The third complication that we try to prevent or minimize is the respiratory complications. During this surgery, a big cut is placed on the abdominal cavity, and after surgery the patient may have difficulty in breathing and difficulty in coughing out all the secretions, which can lead to the development of pneumonia. With adequate measures, majority of our patients do not develop these respiratory problems. There are some other side effects that take place once the patient is discharged from the hospital. A lot of times patients feel very weak, they have a loss of appetite, and it takes longer than it does after other routine surgeries to come back to a normal life. There are several measures that are taken for this. We ask patients to eat small meals at regular intervals, take adequate fluids, and sometimes they might require some fluid supplements. Thus, by taking adequate measures before, during and after the surgery, a large proportion of the complications are minimized or are completely prevented. The goal of surgery is to remove the tumor completely so that the patient lives longer. But at the same time, it is equally important that the patient's quality of life is absolutely normal. That is, he or she can perform all the activities that they could before they develop the disease or the cancer. Even after a complicated surgery like cytoreductive surgery and HIPEC, most of the patients will come back to their normal lives. In fact, once the tumor is removed completely, then the symptoms that are caused due to the disease resolve completely. In short, the main goal of the surgery is not just to prolong the life of the patient, but also to enable the patient to live a normal and healthy life.